Going with a forecast of very light rain to about 2/10 of an inch, and that was essentially the local range. Let's take a look right now. Webcams just a little while ago. You can see Pismo Pier off in the background there. So we're still dealing with some low-level cloud cover. Few spots of mist drizzle or even a light shower is possible as some instability still rotates around the lows. So most of the rain actually was light. The system is in the process of moving out. Now next week has rain chances on Wednesday and again on Friday. I'll take you through some of the modeling on that. Otherwise, it's going to be kind of a cool and windy week. The weekend, interestingly, will have some of the best weather we're going to see in the extended forecast. You can see this pinwheeling low here, which ultimately was formed with a low coming up from the south and another one dropping in from the north, and now it's essentially coalesced here. Now this thing is going to kick out into the Four Corners region and be quite the weather maker there. It is going to be intermountain snow, a significant storm system. Still some showers going on around the LA area, but more so around San Diego, where we saw 1 to 2 inches of rain in that area, and yesterday some flooding. A nice start to some of the ski slopes in Northern California, looking pretty good. And around the Phoenix area, showers and even thunderstorms continuing at this hour. The winds we saw with the system did crank up some swell, 8 to 12 feet net advisory through Thursday at 12. So the modeling is showing dissipating shower activity, but also the increase in clouds again as we get into tomorrow morning. And we could again see a few droplets here and there, but by and large, I just think it's a partly cloudy day. Then as we get into Friday, some southerly flow starts working into the area, ultimately goes offshore for the weekend, and that's why the temperatures will start to pop a little bit. Quickly through this, temperatures in the mid-50s, almost everybody within a few degrees, and not terribly windy anymore. The morning lows all very mild in the 40s and lower 50s. The daytime highs today were only in the mid-60s, so 66 in Paso, Santa Barbara, Goleta, Santa Maria 63, 64 in San Luis, 62 in Lompoc. Okay, that system is kicking out. For the weekend, high pressure over the Four Corners region with a low off the coast that sets up a little weak offshore. Now, the air currently is fairly cool. This will start to moderate it, so daytime highs in the 70s. This isn't offshore in 80s and 90s. It's just offshore and mild. As we get into next week, we start to see more troughs digging into the west. So the first one coming in on Wednesday gives us a shower opportunity, breezy and cool conditions, with yet another system on the way for Friday. Okay, what's interesting about that? Wednesday, a big travel day for Thanksgiving. Friday, a big travel day for Thanksgiving. We're going to have to watch this forecast. This timing has shown up several times, but there are some inconsistencies with the model. So I anticipate having to massage that forecast as we get a little closer, but that's the outlook for the next several rain systems. Low to mid-60s tomorrow, essentially everywhere. Interestingly cool tonight in some of the deeper interior valleys. Cuyama 36, 37, Santa Ynez and Los Alamos. Mid-60s for the Santa Ynez Valley tomorrow. Upper 50s and low 60s at beaches. So we are definitely in the wake of a cold front and a big trough across the west. So fall weather and a feel of that for the next couple of days. Warmer for the weekend. Monday still looking pretty good. Tuesday, I like to be about 70 degrees, and then temperatures start to nosedive with what could be another 1-2 punch for rain the holiday week.